In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Mailchimp from Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you no longer want Acuity Scheduling connected to your Mailchimp account, or you just want to remove the integration for privacy, cleanup, or account management, this guide will walk you through the exact process. It only takes a minute, and by the end, you'll know how to disconnect Mailchimp safely from Acuity. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Acuity Scheduling. You'll want to sign in to the account that has access to the integration settings. Once you're on the Acuity dashboard, look for the integrations area. This is where Acuity keeps all the connected app settings, including Mailchimp. Next, click on Integrations. After that, scroll down through the list of available integrations until you find Mailchimp. Depending on your setup, it may already show that it's connected, or it may have a setup button next to it. To manage the connection, click on Setup beside Mailchimp. Now Acuity will open the Mailchimp integration settings. This is the section where you can control how the connection works or remove it completely. Look for the option that says Disconnect Mailchimp account. This is the button you want if your goal is to fully unlink the two services. Before you continue, take a moment to make sure you really want to remove the connection, especially if you're using Mailchimp to sync contacts or automate email workflows. Once the account is disconnected, Acuity will no longer be able to communicate with Mailchimp through that integration. When you're ready, click Disconnect Mailchimp account. Acuity may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. After that, the integration should be removed, and Mailchimp will no longer be linked to your Acuity Scheduling account. To double-check that everything worked, return to the integrations page and confirm that Mailchimp no longer appears as connected. If needed, you can also refresh the page or sign out and sign back in to verify that the disconnect was successful. And that's it, you've now unlinked Mailchimp from Acuity Scheduling. This is the fastest way to remove the connection without having to dig through complicated settings. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.